Break
From China to San Francisco, welcome to my Warzone Rebirth Island Alcatraz vlog. Alright, y'all, welcome to the Alcatraz Alcatraz vlog. We just got on the little boat. It's looking mad cold outside, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, we just got on. About at that part in a second. We were just walking around the little, like, the area, like all the piers and stuff. It was pretty calm, but
Wait, I know it.
I don't know. We're about to get over there in a second. What you gotta say? Hey. Alright, y'all. Y'all watch Final Destination, bro? Don't watch it. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. If you know, you know. Made it to Rebirth Island, chat. They were like, about to drop a 20 bomb. Imagine a paintball fight here. 100 people drop in paintball fight. Area closed.
Please stop here on the dock. This is a required stop. As soon as we get everyone on the boat, and a couple of rules.
See, I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be what happened to the building, bro. I don't recall this looking like this in the game. That shit's not in the game either. Yeah, see, it's supposed to be like a door right here. That guy looks like a scary dude. It's dark. This shit probably more haunted than the other place. Being honest.
Hello everybody, welcome to Alcatraz County Tour. Just come on in, go right around.
This is the basement. This is literally where I think I sold at least 10 games right here. I mean, if you already know how many times I probably died trying to get through that window right there, it would just be crazy. I mean, I really used to just murder people over here. Run, slide. Watch roof. Rotate it. Holy shit, rotate, chat, we need to rotate. Chat, we're in the local, we need to rotate. Here's why I say so. Chat, we need to fucking rotate. If y'all watch any clips, this is my spot right here. This is really the OG. I mean, I'm pretty sure there's supposed to be a house around this place too. You know, I don't really know what's going on. Sorry guys, I couldn't do the outro for this video because my camera died last minute of this whole entire trip and I ran out of storage, but this was just a quick little speed tour of like the prison. You know, it was really just looking at like where I was at in Call of Duty, but right here I was just walking around seeing the prison and stuff. But yeah, make sure y'all sub and like, make sure y'all tune into the China streams. We're gonna be going to China soon, so make sure you guys tune into that, and thank you guys for watching. That's where you're about to end up. That prison. Fucking D block.